Good evening to everybody. Can you hear me? Hello, hello. It is audible. Hello, hello, hello. Yeah. In yesterday, a very easy concept only. How you are writing about queries, we are starting through that one. Yesterday, I'm telling about relational operators through easiness, easy way. We are writing about queries. After a where class, the data is available in a where which column, that column name we are using, relational operator and value. Up to this one, we are discussing. But based on these relational operators, in every database, we are copying a table from another table we are using regularly. Same columns I want to copy, same data I want to copy. How can I miss? I will tell you. Every database, same syntax is there. But so many interviewer asking, I don't want to copy the what data, only columns only I want to copy, they're asking. That's one. In that case, where condition, false condition, we are using only. Those things also you must familiar. Then arithmetic operator through that one rules only. Those all the things I will tell you. Write it, fastly write it. Creating a new table from existing table. Creating a new table from existing table, or this is also called as copying a table from another table. Copying a table from another table. Creating a new table from existing table, or copying a table from another table. One fellow is asking you, when we are trying to use a what select star from table name and no data is available, it returns a message no row selected. Then how star means all columns. Whenever data is there, then only columns are returned in any database also. And now select statement works based on the where data. That's why always star you are not use star you are using also data is not there means you won't work. So now that is the rules. Write it fast, syntax write it. Those type of stupid question don't ask. Now here syntax. Write it. Create a new table from another table. Create table, new table name. As is a keyword is there. As select star from existing table. Create table, new table name as select star from existing table name. Fastly write it this syntax. Create a table, new table name as select star from existing table name. Finished every database, same syntax. And now check it out. Concentrate here. Suppose this a table is there, any table, your own wish. Now, same columns I want to copy, same columns, and also same data I want to copy. This one, rows. Then simple, just observe it here. Now, this is a table I'm creating. Now check it out. Here, select star from table name. Here I want to create a new table, means create a table, new table name. Test is a table. For example, anything as select star or column, star I am taking because all columns from existing table name EMP like this. How much easy? So now here, yes, this is the way create table, table name as select star from existing table name. Table is created. Now I am typing a what? Select a star from what the table name is there? Test. Here in this new table, same columns are there, same columns in EMP and same rows are there. But interviewer asking, I don't want to copy the what data, only I want to copy the what columns they're asking. Why? Because that is a regularly used concept. That is where condition yesterday, relational operator yesterday we are using, that where condition true means data is copied. The where condition you are not using means data is copied, but where condition is a false, data is never copied. That is very, very important. Interviewer also asking about that much of easy concept also. Why? Because a new data they're dumping in a project side. That much of powerful. Up to this one, fastly write it. Example. Example. Write it. Create table test as select star from existing table. EMP is the table. Select star from test. Okay, now concentrate. This is a very easy concept also. So many interviewer asking about one interview question. Very, very important. That one you are telling me is great, really. That is a universal concept in every database. Now check it out. Slowly observe it here. Up to now, you don't have an idea of that concept. Maybe guess it. Finished this one. And now check it out. Suppose this is a table is there. Slowly observe it here. Very interesting. Now, this is a table, EMP table I'm taking. Whenever EMP table is there, up to now, you are also familiar. These are columns and data you are familiar. That is everyone knows. Employee number, E name, so many columns, department number, like this, these columns are there. Data is there and also columns are there. Everyone knows. But unfortunately, not only this one. In a future chapter side, I will tell you, here, this employee number is a primary key is available. What is primary key? What is foreign key? What is check? In another chapter side, we are learning constraint chapter side. This is called primary key. Primary key is available. What is those things means later in another chapter side. That is not visible. Here, department number is a what? A foreign key is there. Okay, fine. Internally, department number is a what? A foreign key is available. Okay, fine. What is primary key? Foreign key later. Okay. These primary key, foreign key, these are called constraints in a database project side. These are called constraints on joins, constraints, subqueries. We are learning in our classes in a future chapter side. How can I create? What is this one? I will tell you. Oracle Corporation giving EMP table, not only columns, not only data internally, or maybe some primary key, foreign key, these type of things are there. Those are called constraints. Now, what is my doubt? Otherwise, so many interviewers asking how means whenever we are copying a table from another table in any database. Suppose here, recently I'm writing like this: create table, table name test as select star from existing table name EMP like this. Whenever we are copying a table from another table by using a select statement, create table, select statement. What is my intention is observe here. What is my doubt here? Whenever this is a new table is there, all columns are copied. That is everyone knows. I know, you know, everyone knows columns are copied. Okay, fine. Columns are copied. All columns are copied because that is visible. Okay. Now data also copied. Yes, here data also copied. Data means here this one. Okay, fine. Data also copied. I know, you know, everyone knows. Now I have a doubt. Whenever we are copying a table from another table in any database in the worldwide, columns are copied and data also copied. But here constraints are there. Here primary key is there, no primary key, foreign key. These constraints are maybe copied or never copied. Yes, anybody guess it? You don't have an idea constraints, really, I'm agree. But in a future concept only, but that is an inter question they're asking only. Maybe guess it only. Now, these constraints are internally copied or never copied? Maybe. Anybody guess it? Primary key is there, that is copied or never copied. Foreign key is there, that is copied or never copied. Check is there, that is copied or never copied. Maybe one thing is correct only. Maybe guess it, copied or never copied. Very good. Some fellows are telling copied only, but unfortunately, what is the correct answer? Never copied. Very important. Never copied. These constraints are never copied. Okay, fine. That's why any database table having a what constraints are there. Whenever we are copying a table from another table, creating a table from another table, whatever newly created table is there, we are adding explicitly, we are constrained, because constraints are never copied. Never copied. Only not null is copied. That is never copied. Foreign key, primary key, check, never copied only. Not only Oracle, every database also. That's why in a real-time project side, very good. So many fellows are telling never copied, correct. Only not null is copied. Leave that one. Primary key, foreign key, check, unique, not copied. That's why newly created table in a real-time project side, in a feature chapter side, alter with the add. Already we are telling, the column adding same like primary key, foreign keys. They're adding alter table, table name, test, add. Don't write it here. Primary space key only, newly created table. Here employee number, this is the way. And now here they are adding one. After copying a table, adding a what, a primary key, foreign key in a newly created table, alter with the add only through the adding only. That is later. Okay, fine. Constraints are never copied means just remember it. Why? Because there is entry question. But in this class only, you don't have an idea constraints. You don't have an idea alter with the add primary key. These type of things you don't have an idea. Only constraints are never copied. You have to remember it enough. next another thing. Suppose so many interview are asking which one. Now whenever we are copying a table from another table, I don't want to copy data. I want to copy only columns only. They're asking how can I side heading, creating a new table from existing table without copying data. Fastly write it, without copying. Creating a new table from existing table without copying data. Only columns only I want to copy. Data I don't want to copy. Okay, na? Now, what is the syntax they are giving in ANSI standard? Means observe here syntax. They are giving a simple syntax. Yesterday, I am telling only data means where condition really. Particular rows means where condition. That where condition always returns a Boolean value either true or false. Based on the true condition, the data is copied. Otherwise, you are not giving any condition. Also, default where condition is there. That's why true. That's why copied. But this where condition is a false means the data is never copied. That is a technique they are giving in a where ANSI ISO SQL. In every database, whenever we are copying a table from another table, I don't want to copy the what data means just where condition you are write it only. There is a false condition you are write it enough. Not only Oracle, every database. Practically, we are checking. Write it fastly. Syntax. Create table, new table name as select star from existing table name where false condition. Where false condition. What is false condition? I will tell you. Write it this one. Fastly write it. Create a table, new table name as select star from existing table name where false condition. Completed fast. Create table, new table name as select star from existing table name where false condition. Now check it out. Concentrate here. This is a table is there. Select the star from EMP in a table. Now I don't want to copy data. Only columns I want to copy. So many project site that is required in every database. In that case, you are a good programmer means create table, new table name, for example, test1 as Here, select star from existing table EMP up to now. Okay, where yesterday relational operator through some condition we are right, that condition enough. Where column name, suppose here, where employee number, for example, name, job, anything, where employee number, don't write. Employee number is equal to, for example, this 7369 is there means that the data only copied. Suppose that is a true condition. Suppose I am writing a what employee number is equal to 1111. Really 1111 employee number is available? No, not available. Employee number 1, 2, 3 is not available. 7698, 7899 is something only available. That's why where column name is equal to value is not there means these are true or false. Very good. False condition. This is false. Suppose where e name is equal to ABC, that is a false because Smith, Allen, Watt, some data is there. The data is not available means that is a false condition. Now check it out. Yes, table is created. Table is created or not. In this case, now select now here select the star from table name. If you want to test a what a rows means select star from table name is there. No rows selected because data is not copied. No? Yeah, so now here. Again, columns are available or not. Check it out. DSC test one like this. Automatically columns are copied or not. Yes, here. But what is this false condition? So many fellows are not interested to write a where column name is equal to, where column name greater than, where column name less than. Yes, any value they are not interested to write. Why? Because yes, in this case, column name referring operator and value that referring means a little bit of difficult. That's why what they are using means in a ANSI ISO SQL provided not only table columns condition, outside condition also possible. In a mathematical condition, in a mathematical expression we are using also, yes, that is also working a what in this case. Mathematical expressions also working. That is the beauty of the where in this case. In this case, you don't know columns also. Mathematical expressions we are using also that are true and false based only data is copied or never copied. Now check it out. Really that is correct. In a project set, otherwise in a books we are referring means that will be there. You are observing or not. Now check it. That is a generalized condition. Because without referring a columns also better practice is outside mathematical expression. How means observe it here. Now check it out. Concentrate here. What is that false condition means in a books we are referring also that will be there means I will tell you. There is a universal concept. Better to know that one only. Why? Because that is only regularly used. Now compared to columns. Select star from table name EMP. Now I'm creating a table. Create table, table name test1 as here slowly observe it here. Here select star from existing table name EMP where generalized outside condition without columns also. Yes, what is the outside condition? Mathematics. Suppose 1 is equal to 9. That is a false. 1 is equal to 9 is not equal. Suppose here 5 is equal to 8. 5 is equal to 8 is not equal. 5 is equal to 5 is equal. 1 is equal to 1 is equal. 8 is equal to 8 is equal. That's why that is a false. Outside false condition also working. Suppose here 1 is equal to 2. They're regularly using only. 1 is equal to 2 means false. So now that's why outside mathematical condition ABC is equal to PQRS anything. Suppose XYZ is equal to ABBB anything we are using working, but numbers regularly they are using. Now check it out. Really that is correct or not? Select the star from exist. Okay, new tables test one. Here no rows selected. Okay, no rows selected. Data is never copied. Outside condition also working or not? DSC. What is the table name? Test one. Yes, here columns are copied. Okay, this is 1 is equal to 2, 5 is equal to 7, anything they are writing. Okay, so many experienced persons. But you are a first time newcomer, you are confusing. What is 1 is equal to 2? You are writing a what, for example, you are interested to test a what 1 is equal to 1, you are writing. What happened? Observe here. Suppose here, observe here, create table, table name, test2 as here select star from existing table name EMP where here 1 is equal to 1 you are writing. For example, what is 1 is equal to 2? Why Murlis are telling like that? Otherwise, every project side also 1 is equal to 5 is equal to 7, 10 is equal to 9, like this is there. I am not interested that one. 1 is equal to 1, I am writing. 1 is equal to 1 means true or false? Very good, true. Is a mathematical condition, true. That's why whenever condition is true, data is copied or never copied. Very good. Data is copied. You are not giving a what in a condition. Otherwise, true condition we are using means data is copied. This is a reverse. Now here check it out. Table is created. Now select the star from what is the table name? Test2 like this. Yes, data is copied or not? Yes, data is copied. That's why whenever you are not giving any condition, otherwise true condition you are writing means data is copied. Okay, that's why you are only writing a what without copying a data means in a false condition. Either that one related to where table column, you are a first time newcomer. Otherwise, you are experienced person means outside condition also you are writing. Anything also possible. Fast write it example. This is ANSI standard concept, not a Oracle concept only. In every database also, this will be there. This example, right? Table is created, testing. Outside in a condition also check it out. That's why without a table columns also working. Table is long, short, anything also same. This outside condition working. Performance difference is not there. They are not giving you this, use a column names, otherwise use outside. They are not preferring anything. Okay, this is also working, that is also working. That's all. Difference also is not there. Finished. Next, this is enough. Now, very important, most powerful arithmetic operator. Yesterday, relational operator, no? Then arithmetic operator. This is very interesting. New rules only in every database we are learning. Write it, arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators. Most of the time, observe here, screen observe. Actually, I am also here also. After select, some columns are there. After select keyword, some columns are there. In these columns only, this arithmetic operator into, plus, division, minus, we are using like this. But here, which one we are using? Date columns. In a future, dates we are using. Up to now, up to today, dates you don't have an idea. In a future chapter side, very important, dates insertion, date evocation, modifications, date additions, subtraction, so many things we are using regularly. Not only that one, numbers, number data type column or date data type column side regularly we are using. Suppose here, now check it out. Don't write it, 1 minute only. Suppose you are experienced person. In a future, you are writing a what? Dates means, suppose today date means something we are typing in a future, not now. Another chapter side, I will tell you. This is DD-MONFI. Today, 55 October 2021. Okay. Now I want to add a what? 1 day into the where this date or 10 days, 20 days means plus arithmetic operator we are using in a future, not today. Now check it out here. What is dual and all these things? You don't have an idea in this class later. Now plus 1 I'm using. Then automatically tomorrow it will be displayed. Tomorrow is what? 6th October it will be displayed or not? Yes, here. Suppose here I want to control goes to where yesterday. Yesterday means here minus possible. Now here automatically 4th October it will be there or not. That's why always in a future dates are there, date data type column. But today that dates you don't have an area, number data type column side I will tell you. Write it fastly, right? Arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are used in number, comma, date, data type, columns. Columns they are giving also, without columns working. Write it. Arithmetic operators are used in number, comma, date, data type, columns. Number, comma, date, data type, columns. now onwards, very important. 5 minutes concentrate, most powerful. Why? Because all are telling about arithmetic operators directly, something only, priority, something they are telling in a books we are referring, or there is no use. One problem is there, that problem how you are rectifying, otherwise at least problem is occurred in every database. What is that one? You must familiar. That's why yesterday we are telling a relational operator. Through that one, relational and arithmetic, today you are writing a beautiful concept only. 99% of the students are mistaken that one. That is I want only. And now check it out. Concentrate. 5 minutes concentrate. Very important, because in a future, those solutions I'm telling. Now check it out. Don't write it only. Suppose this is a table is there. Very interesting. Observe it here. Select star from EMP is a table. Based on the table, what is my requirement means I want to display e-name, I want to display. Salary I want to display. Up to this one, there is no problem. But unfortunately, I want annual salary. So now I want to display annual salary from EMP table. Now check it out. Slowly observe it here. I want to display e-name. I want to display salary. I want to display annual salary from EMP table. For example, I want to write a query, display e-name, comma salary, comma annual salary from EMP table. These are my requirements. Now, how you are writing a what? This query means, observe it here, concentrate here. Very interesting. Suppose which column is there first? E-name column is there. That column is there in a database or not? Check it out. Yes, within a database, that column is there. Oh, maybe e-name is available. Okay, fine. That's why here we are writing a what? How can I select which column is available? That column, comma. Here next column is what? A salary. Salary is available. Yes, here no. Here no. Yes, salary column is available. Up to now there is no problem. E-name, comma salary. Okay, fine, comma. Here annual salary they're asking. Now annual salary is available or not in your EMP table? Check it out. No. Here no. Annual salary is not there. The annual salary is not there means you are a good mathematician, means you are thinking logically. Salary is a column is there. This column we are converting into annual salary. Possible or not? Yes, possible. How you are converting in a select statement means you are a good mathematician, means just we are writing a what? Which one? Very good. This salary is a what? A number into here which one? 12. Very good. That's why salary plus 100, salary into 12. That we are using in a where after select keyword or not? Yes, very good. Now check it out. Here salary into where 12. That is annual salary from EMP. That's why you don't know, I don't know. When a rules also, without any knowledge of the rules, after select keyword, you are observing or not, after select keyword, the star we are using or not? Yes, sir. This is multiplication. In this case, star means salary into 12 from table name. Now check it out. Suppose here, copy this one. Now just observe it here. I am writing, you are writing like this. But unfortunately, report okay. But what is the problem? Whenever any end user observing this report, these are employee names, they are understandable. These are salaries, they are understandable. But here, salary into 12, what is this expression? They are not understandable. That's why in a select statement, up to now, we are not starting only in a select statement. Whenever these type of expressions are there, better to use in place of these expressions end user understandable format only some names, that is called alias names. Suppose in place of this one, annual salary is a message is understandable by the end user. That one we are using in a way in place of salary into 12 only in a select statement, not a rename. This is alias name, another name, not a creating table side. Here, this is another name. using in a where in place of salary into 12 another name, that is called column alias name. Now why I am giving means I will tell you. Based on that one, some rule is there without using alias name working, but just my interest purpose suddenly I am giving a what here. Yes, another name in place of salary into 12 means just here space this alias name, another name we are using either double quotes, either as, either space, something is there. But today, just without any knowledge, just we are using like this. Now automatically annual salary is it visible or not? Yes, here. Now first write it this one. Based on this one, a beautiful intro question is there. What is that one? I will tell you. Write it. Write a query. Write a query to display. Write a query to display ename comma sal comma annual salary from EMP table. This one right without alias name working, but I am using alias. Then I'm asking a most beautiful intro question that is 100% first time newcomer mistaken. Those things I now this annual salary is there. Yes, this is called column alias name. Underline this one without using that one working, but why I'm using is next something is there today. Annual salary means column alias name. Alias name is another name. In a future, table alias name, column alias name, so many things are there. This is select statement set. Column alias name, right? Okay, yeah. This output also roughly right. Roughly this output also right. Completed up, finished up fast. Okay, this arithmetic operator. Okay, after that one alias name, another name we are giving in a select statement, not in a creation table side. Here select statement side. Okay, now very important. Finished up. All are writing. Completed this one fast. Hello. All are writing this one. Yes. Now observe here. Now you are telling me it's really great. What is that word? Anybody attending a what yesterday class? Relational operators. I am telling. Why I am telling relational operator means today this purpose actually. Now check it out. What is my requirement means slowly observe it here. Very interesting. Anybody telling me is really great. These are the employee names and salaries and the annual salaries are displayed. How many rows are there? Slowly observe here. 14 rows are there. But I don't want these all the rows present situation in my project side. Slowly observe it here. What is my requirement? Some employees annual salary is more than 30,000 is there. Suppose here this employee more than 30,000. This employee more than 30,000. This employee getting more than 30,000, more than 30,000, more than 30,000. That's why I don't want to display all the employees, all the annual salaries. Which employees annual salary having a what more than 30,000? Which employees annual salary is more than 30,000? Those employees only I want to display. That is my requirement. Now 30,000, 40,000 is available in a where? Which column? Check it out. Yes, your annual salary. Yesterday I'm telling no. Yes, the values are available in a which column? We have to check it out first. That is 30,000, 40,000 is available in a where? Which column? Annual salary column. Here, which operator is suitable? More than means greater than means relational operator. Relational operators means where clause we are using or not. Yes, that is my requirement only. But whenever we are writing means what happened, observe it here. Write it, query, write it. Through the query we are learning. Write a query. Very interesting. Write a query. Write a query to display the employees. Write a query to display the employees who are getting more than 30,000 annual salary annual salary from EMP table Write a query to display the employees who are getting more than 30,000 annual salary from EMP table. Write a query to display the employees who are getting more than 30,000 annual salary, from EMP table. And now tell me based on this requirement, tell me anybody, now yes. All are writing the query? Yes. Write a query to display the employees who are getting more than 30,000 annual salary from EMP table. And now first, how you are writing the query? Two-step process. Yesterday I'm telling you, this 30,000, 40,000 is available in where? Which column? Very good. That is the first step. Annual salary. It is a column. Now, more than they're asking. More than means which operator is suitable? Very good. Greater than. This greater than is available in a where? Relational operator. Relational operators are used in a where clause. Very good. Where clause. That's why here how you are writing the query. Now tell me. Now select. Yes, your e-name, salary into 12. Yes, very good. Up to this one, correct. Salary into 12. Annual salary is alias name. From here EMP. Where? Very good. Where? Now everyone telling correct answer. Where? Now where? Now which one? Annual salary is more than, means greater than, here 30,000. Anybody telling like this, blunder mistake, it won't work. It won't work. Very, very, very important. This is important. This is our concept only. Most powerful. What is this one? Yesterday we are learning the data is available in a which column. Then we are writing a where condition relational operator. But today suddenly, yes, why we are telling a what it won't work means reason is there. In any database in the worldwide, here where condition, in a where condition, we are not allowed to use alias name. That is a rule is there. Very, very important. Column alias names we are not allowed to use in a where, now in a where clause, because server is not understandable. That is a column. That really that is not a column name. That is a alias name. This is the biggest problem. That's why anybody asking a what through the alias names, I want to restrict the what rows means dangerous mechanism. In a where clause only, we are not allowed to use column alias names in any database, not only Oracle. We are not allowed to use column alias names in a where clause. That is the rule only. That is I want. Now I am pressing enter key. Yes, it will give us a what? Error. Very, very important. But how we are writing a what? I want to use that alias name in a where clause means in a future, subquery is a chapter is there. Don't write it. Observe it here. Subquery, joins, subqueries, big chapters are there in a future. In this subquery chapter, I am converting a what this query into where some other query inline views is a concept is there. Whenever we are converting this query into where this inline view, then this alias name also internally automatically convert into column. Then only we are allowed to use in a where clause. That much of depth is there. That purpose in a future purpose is all the design. Suppose don't write it only, just your experienced person means now here in a future you are converting a what this query into where some other queries only. Okay, fine. These are sub query within another query. just bracket, so many things we are using. Whenever we are using this one means this alias name internally behaves like a table column. Then we are using in a where clause possible. But this much of knowledge you don't have an idea in this class. Later you are familiar. Yes, working or not. Yes. But up to today, you don't have an idea. So now here those things only. That's why what I'm intimating to you. Yes, we are not allowed to use column alias names in a where clause. That is I want only. And now here, yes, that is I want. Then solution means actually we are using in a feature some other queries only. But today, yes, directly we are giving a what solution. And now here expressions we are using means then you are understandable. First write it this one. This error right. Not only Oracle, every database same role. This is not a column name, alias name, another name. No? This one underline. In a where clause, we are not allowed to use this alias. Okay, na? Here, write it error, invalid identifier. Okay, na? Write a note. Note, write it. Write a note. Generally, we are not allowed to use. Generally, we are not allowed to use column alias names in where clause. In where clause. Where clause means where condition. Generally, we are not allowed to use column alias names in where clause. We are not allowed to add this alias name in a permanently. Okay, na? This is a select statement. Okay, yeah. Expressions are not working in a where table creation side. In a feature virtual column, another concept is there. Through that one 11G onwards possible. Basically not possible. Okay. Generally, we are not allowed to use column alias names in where clause. Where clause. Select statement is one. Okay, where clause. Now, so many fellows having a doubt. Okay, Murli sir, you are telling what we are not allowed to use column alias name in a where clause. Can I use? Yes, here alias name we are not allowed to use. Okay, because maybe server is not understandable. That is a column name. That's why can we use in place of alias name this expression possible? Possible. This expression possible. That's why they are telling a what we can also use a what arithmetic operators in a where clause possible. Suppose you are a first time newcomer. Yes, these subqueries you don't have an idea how we are writing a what these queries means. Now here check it out. In a previous case, I'm copying a what this query. Copy this one. Now here check it out. This is a query is there. Yes, here annual salary invalid identifier. Now in this case, can we use a what this expression in place of alias name? This expression salary into 12 we are using in a where clause possible? Possible. That is possible. Only rules I want that purpose. Suddenly alias name we are using salary into 12. That's why combination only we are writing a what arithmetic operation, relational operators in a where clause possible. Okay, combination. Now check it out. Yes, in this case solution possible or not? Yes, here. Now this is not a good solution, but in this case, write it. Okay. Yes, yeah. Because you are a first time newcomer, no? Yes, yeah. That price only right. Solution. This one, right? priority based working. Okay, yeah. This alias name also displayed. This is a display purpose. Some fellows ask where salary into 12 is greater than 30,000. This one only we are using. Yeah. Expressions are possible. Okay. Yeah. But project said nobody using like this only. Inline use through performance there is. But possible, I'm intimating to you. Finished up fast. Next, logical operators. Those are important. Okay, some of your special operators we are learning only. That is the next only, but unfortunately, okay, again 6 o'clock, another time. That is next very important in operator between is null, like, not like, okay, son of here again here NVL function, null value, so many things only. That is next important. That is tomorrow I will tell you. That is better. Because 6 o'clock another batch. Tomorrow I will tell you right now. Up to now, check it out. Tomorrow content. In 19C, Scott schema is not there already. I'm telling how can I install or anything. Okay, na? Yeah, practice purpose subquery chapter is there. In that one, I will tell you.